Hello everybody and welcome to the BattleAxeCode. My name is Steven. In this video I'm going to show you how to eliminate those warning signs due to a button, text view, or another type of widget. Let's put a button, let's put a text view here. Right over here you're going to see we got two warnings. Text view should use @string resource, button should use @string resource. So over here, to fix that up, like right here in my button, see the text, the button. If I want to put hi, it changes right here, but still, you see, hi should use @string resource. So let's fix that up. Let's go over here to strings. I'm going to copy paste this same code over here because it's basically what I'm going to be reusing. Only I'm going to change the string name over here. This is the string. I'm going to give it a name for my button, so I'm going to put SRTR button, and I wanted to display something else except what I just wrote previously. So let's say like hello. Okay, now my text view, I'm going to give the string, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to put STR text. And let's put over here welcome. So okay, let's go to main activity, and the button, I'm going to put the @string /str button. That should be all. The code changed. Now it says hello. So right over here to our text view, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to declare that name. Okay, over here put the @string, and it pops up right over here. Pick right there. Press the enter. And there you got it. Welcome. And there it's gone. The warning signs. Excellent. I don't want those warning signs tormenting me. So that'll be proper coding. It looks better off when you got the code nice and written and doesn't have no warning signs. So thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, to TheBattleAxeCode.com, and to my YouTube. Check out the other videos I have put up. And well, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.